What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG, and shout out to Ghost Tech. They done sent the Ghost Tech lineup of cases for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which I have right here on the desk for me to check out. And I'm gonna check them out with y'all because y'all special, and we all special together, guys. And my tech squad need to know about the hottest accessories. And when the company got the hottest accessories, of course they're gonna send them to BG Tech Life, so I can share them with the tech squad. We just gonna get straight into this thing, man, because I got about 4 cases here right now from Ghost Tech, and we're gonna go through each case. Before we do that though, if you're not following BG Tech Life on Instagram, go ahead over to Instagram after this video, BG_Tech Life. BG_Tech Life. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, man. I'm putting a lot of this stuff, a lot of this footage on straight on IG. Then also we getting a lot of you'll see a lot of things that I do behind the scenes on Twitter, man. How I do what I do. I drop a lot of jewels for content creators on the come up. So go ahead and follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life on Twitter, man. Go ahead and follow me on Twitter, man. Also, everybody on Instagram and Twitter, follow your man BG. But right now we about to get into all of these cases. So let's just go ahead and get into the first one, guys. We got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, Ghost Tech Exec 4, and this is the 4-card detachable wallet. So this is dope. We're gonna look at the back, see what we got on the back, and all you can see, all this red and black Ghost Tech brand, and they provide a nice package. Pause. But multi-attachment system, magnet mount. So if you have a card mount that use magnets, this has a magnet on here, and it's wirelessly charging capable, non-slip grip. Grip is a big part of drop protection, because if you don't drop you got a better grip, you ain't gonna drop your phone. So let me slide these back, guys. I'm getting kind of crowded in here. So here we go. Got this. Let's take a look at it. Take it out. Get all this packaging out the way. And this is a pretty sleek, guys. And this, is this leather? It smells. Got a good faux leather wallet on the back of the case, guys, and you can detach it. So let me see. It's detachable. And we're gonna put it back, because if I buy something like this, that means that I want to use it as a wallet. And you keep everything in, handy. That's dope. Very dope. Nice, as you can see, buttons for your button press on the case. Nice grip, so you don't drop your phone in the first place. See, nice grip, nice power button. Cutouts on the bottom. Nice raised up protection for that camera. Let's go ahead and slap the phone in here. Okay, so as you can see, we got a nice raised up lip around the screen already off the break. Nice grip, feels good in hand. This is like this is a TPU, this is a polycarbonate, but it has a nice feel, like a nice soft touch to it. As you can see, we raised up protecting that camera, guys. Got our nice big cutout for our lightning port. That is very nice. And you can put a card in here. So that's basically what you need when you leave the house: your phone, your keys, and identification and credit card. That's how most people roll up out the house. That's everything you're gonna need. You need some money. You need a way to get around. Now, like if you in New York, you might ride the train or something like that. But where I'm from, I don't ride the train now. I have a car, so I got my keys, my bank card, and my ID. And sometimes I'm using my Apple Pay, of course. But yeah, this is a very nice looking case, guys. Let me know what you think. This is the Exec 4. So exec mean, I think that's short for executive. So if you're a very important person, like an executive, and and you live that executive life, and you want to, a lot of people live the minimal life now, guys. A lot of people live that minimal life. So that's something that you might want to check out. So okay, we got the Iron Armor holster with a kickstand. So that's pretty dope. 2 times military drop tested for your iPhone 12 Pro Max. And there is still 1 card pocket on this case also. And it comes with a holster that's nice. Non-slip grip, raised camera lift protection, swivel belt clip, slim, precise fit. So let's go ahead and get this out. The package, there's a lot of packaging today, guys. So I'm gonna have to just getting everything out the way. So okay, Here we go. Oh, nice Ghost Tech branding. It's a very nice touch. Like that Ghost Tech branding on here. This looks really rugged, you know. Reminds me of a, we ain't gonna shout out nobody else on this video, but reminds me of a nice rugged case with a holster. Let's open it up. What is this in here? Oh wow, actually I'm not gonna apply the screen protector. It's already a screen protector on my phone, guys, but this is actually a comes with a screen protector, and this is a hardened screen protector, guys. It's not no cheap screen protector. That's very dope. Ghost Tech providing you with a screen protector, so they try and really get you rugged and out the way. So let's take a look at the case. As you can see, you got a slot for a card on here. I love the plus and minus on the volume rocker. Nice cutout for your mute button. Like nice protection around your camera, guys. Very dope little case. Cutouts on deck. Volume plus. This thing right here. Oh, that's very sturdy. That's very sturdy. And we got another trick I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Let's go ahead and put the phone up in here. Nice web design for drop protection, drop absorption on the inside, guys. We'll go ahead and put the phone in the case. Easy install, guys. And let me see if I think you can, because if I'm looking, yeah, you can use this as a kickstand also, guys. So if you look on the inside, I'm kind of distorted behind this camera, but if you look on the inside, you got a little that you just flip out, and we got a kickstand, guys. So you know what you could watch. Some BG Tech, like, boom, nice little kickstand. We in order, guys. You gotta, of course, have it straight up and down. Nice kickstand. We in order. This is a very nice case from Ghost Tech, guys. Very nice right here. This is the Iron Armor. This is a nice rugged protection case. I'm gonna be rocking this sometimes, guys. Sometimes you want to rock a rugged case, guys, because you be out in the street and there's a lot going on, and you can't use nothing minimal sometimes. So bear with me. There's a lot going on the desk, guys. So matter of fact, I'm gonna situate this thing like so. Okay, that's better. All right, so next case, we got the Atomic Slim. This is a dope case, guys. 12 feet drop protection, shock absorption. I had this previously. It's wireless charging compatible, multi-layer, non-slip grip, raised camera lip, slim precise fit, and it's an aluminum alloy frame. Now I'm gonna do some testing, and I'm gonna put it on my Instagram, guys, just to make sure. Sometimes that aluminum, you gotta watch it, make sure your signal is still good. But right now we're recording, so I'm not cutting my phone off the airplane mode. But yeah, nice aluminum case right here. This is a dope little case. This back is glass, so I like that also. This back is very nice. Ghost Tech. Now look how crispy this thing look, man. This thing is nice. It's like real glass. As you can see, got nice aluminum button press going on. Ghost Tech branding. Atomic. I'm about to say atomic. I'm a little slow sometimes, guys. Excuse me. Atomic. But yeah, very dope case. Let's go ahead and drop the iPhone 12 Pro Max up in, and as you can see, they protecting your phone, guys. They got some cushion in here for your phone. Very nice touch. They know that there is aluminum, and you put aluminum on aluminum, so very sturdy. As you can see, we got a nice little raised lip on there already. Nice button press, guys. Button press is very nice on here. And oh man, the contrast, this white and this black is hitting. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this contrast to this white and this black is fresh. I'm not gonna, like, it threw me off just now how fresh this case is on this white iPhone, man. This is gonna have to be like some type of thumbnail, man. That's a thumbnail right there, guys. I'm sorry, that thing look good. Ghost Tech doing them. But as you can see, we got the Ghost Tech branding on here, man. You can see the Apple logo. You looking crispy. They can see that this got the extra sensor on here. What is that? The LiDAR sensor on here, so they know you got the 12. Yeah, it's looking real nice, man. But let me go ahead and get this case off so I can show y'all the last but not least case, man. This case is a little sturdy. You know, the aluminum build, you may have to muscle it off just a little bit, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm behind the camera, muscling the case off. Boom, I got it off. You know, so sit this right here real quick, and we're gonna get to the last case, man. Here it is. Boom, the Covert 4. Y'all know I had the Covert 4 on my Note 20 Ultra and my Pixel 5. Really like this. This is a dope case, right? This is a dope little case right here, man. Impact technology. We got a kickstand design. So we got a built-in kickstand. We got the diamond grip. We got the raised camera lip. Detailed cutouts and slim, precise fit is minimal, man. It's not super bulky. So let's go ahead and get this out. It's the Covert 4. And I feel like this is a real fly case for somebody, especially like if you got a job and you work like construction, because it's just got these orange feet highlights inside the case. It's a nice touch though. Like whatever phone, whatever color, like when I even put it on my Pixel, the orange went with the Sword of Sage Pixel, real dope, man. So it's a nice look, man. And you got that nice aluminum ghost tech, you know what I mean? All these edges is raised up, man. They real cushiony, so when you drop it, it's gonna hit that edge, and it's just really the drop absorption just gonna absorb everything, and your phone gonna be perfect, man. I like that. A nice touch, man. Shout out to Ghost Tech. We got more Ghost Tech branding on the inside. They should have did more than a sticker, but hey, put it on the phone. I told y'all. I told y'all, right? Look at how that look. It just, for some reason, this case go with every phone, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. And they got all of these Ghost Tech cases. They know how to see. They gotta put on these TPU cases. They gotta put slits in these power buttons, because if not, it's a super hard button press. But this has a really nice button press. As you can see, we nice and raised up around our expensive camera array. As you can see, got a nice cutout for our mute button. Very dope, guys. Very nice looking case here. Nice cutouts. You can see our silver at the bottom for our lightning port and our speakers. Nice raised up lip protection. It's raised up so much that it still look raised up a lot. And I got a screen protector on this. So, man, this is a really nice case, man. It's the Covert 4 on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I might just rock this for the rest of the day. This is looking pretty neat. But yeah, shout out to Ghost Tech for sending these out. It's your man BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.